Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy. Here's the Casablanca 4 Seasons 3 with Cherrywood blades showing. And I actually kind of like it with the Cherrywood side showing. Well, the first test I showed the silver side. I actually showed my favorite side showing them for the first test usually. The Casablanca tag. I found out what year this fan was made. This is actually made in November 22nd, 2012, and it is the 59th fan made that day. So anyways, here is low. I think Fans Gaylor, etc. filmed one of these in brushed nickel with the forearm light kits. But and it had this side showing, not the silver one. Straighten it out just a little bit. It's about low. Here is medium. Oh, I forgot to mention that there's another restaurant in Wyoming. Forgot what it is, but that has a few of these in the silver side showing, not the Cherrywood side. They all run on medium. Just about medium. It moves a good amount of air when it's on medium, so anything too high. This fan's moving a lot of air. I've already done airflow tests, so I'm not going to do it again with the Cherrywood. I think, you know what, I might go close up with the Cherrywood side showing. Just why not? Just top view with the silver blades. Top view. Here's a verse. Man. Once it's done sitting down, I'm just gonna run up to it. I'm gonna go run up to the bathroom real quick. I'll be back down. I'll actually wait until it's done sitting down. I'll put on the lower reverse and then run up to the bathroom. Alright, so here's lower verse. Still turning on? stop the heat turn on for a minute. It's pretty warm out, so it's about low reverse. Here's medium reverse. And here's high reverse. Oops. Shakes a little bit. It's not too bad. And spin down reverse. Back and forward. Yes, Mom? What? Okay. I think I did. Sorry. That's just my parents. They just came back when I'm in the middle of filming something. And all it's done spinning down. And that. Thanks for watching.